Hey guys, we're back for our last video of 2022 and we're going to be doing a tournament style taste test to tell you which one of these 8 snack pack puddings is the very best flavor.
So we're going to be matching these puddings up 2 at a time, and the winner from each round will go on to another round, and eventually we will get to a final where we will determine the very best pudding. And before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We're going for 5,000 subscribers now that we reached our 2,000 subscriber goal.
Alright guys, we're ready for round 1 and we've got banana cream pie over here and lemon on that side. Let's start with this
starting with the lemon.
Very
colorful lemon. I'm hoping I can taste because I'm a little bit sick right now.
That's got a good lemon flavor, I think.
You'd call it a good lemon flavor?
Yeah.
I think it has a strong lemon flavor.
It's slightly artificial tasting, but the package does say that it's made with real lemon juice.
Ooh, real lemon juice, huh? Is this made from real banana juice?
I hope not.
All right, banana cream pie. This has like 2 different layers in it, so you have to get your spoon deep enough so that you get the
banana and the cream.
Exactly. I like that a lot better.
That
What do you think?
tastes like banana.
That has a much more real banana flavor, I feel like.
Well, that's interesting. The 2 layers are actually like different textures. The top layer is kind of more soft. The banana's a little thicker. Okay, let me try this one more time. To be honest,
it is actually good.
If I'm gonna choose one of these to eat, I'm gonna eat the lemon because I like lemon better. I'm not a huge banana fan, but this does pretty well for being banana. Like if I like bananas a lot, I would probably prefer this one.
Well, now I'm gonna look silly.
I just prefer lemon.
Because I actually do agree. This has a more artificial lemon flavor, and this has a more real banana flavor, but somehow I still like the lemon more.
Yeah.
And I actually do like banana cream pie, so
okay.
I don't know. Maybe there's just more sugar in the lemon one or something, which is why I like it better.
I think I just like that tart flavor of the lemon.
Yeah.
All right, so lemon is gonna go on to the next round.
Next up is the Battle of the Chocolates, and I'm interested to see if there's actually gonna be much of a difference between these. We've got chocolate fudge over here and just plain old chocolate over here. So let's try the chocolate first, actually, and then see if the fudge can make a difference over there.
Okay. This is the classic chocolate flavor.
And I don't like it very much.
I don't either.
It's kind of sad. Usually it takes us a minute to kind of think about it. And not this one. It's just not very good.
It's just not very good.
Unfortunately. But maybe the fudge will be better. It is a little bit better.
It actually tastes like chocolate fudge. Like hot fudge for your ice cream. That actually tastes like that.
Yeah,
I like
it does actually. The texture of the normal chocolate is more like gelatinous. And then the texture of the chocolate fudge is more creamy. But yeah, the flavor is also better. So the classic chocolate is out. Don't go for this one. I would also probably say this is worse than the lemon and the banana cream pie.
Yep.
So chocolate fudge is definitely winning.
Okay, third matchup. We've got butterscotch versus tapioca over there. And we're gonna go for some
starting for the tapioca.
Little eyeballs.
All right. What even is tapioca?
It's like the little balls in there are, shoot. Some foodie is gonna like just be like, why do you guys not know what that is?
They're
I kind of do, but I can't just think of it right now. Oh.
They're frog eyeballs, right?
They're not even frog eyeballs in mine. Did you get any?
Oh yeah.
Did you like actually taste them?
No.
I see them, but you don't actually get that texture.
I think that's the main experience that you get from the frog eyeballs is just seeing them and not actually feeling them or tasting them.
Okay.
I actually do like this. I was a little scared I wasn't going to like it because when I got my wisdom teeth out a few months ago, this is like all I could eat. You're not a big fan?
It's not that I don't like it, but I have no idea what it is.
I agree with that. I don't know what the flavor is supposed to be.
It's like,
but it's good.
I don't know.
Well, yeah, that's a good point. Because
tapioca?
It's not fruity. It's not
I almost want to say
vanilla or chocolate.
Yeah, exactly. There's no
it's tapioca
description. Sorry.
All right, I really like butterscotch stuff, so.
Oh, yeah.
Interesting. It's not as strong of a flavor as I thought it would be. I almost would call this a vanilla pudding with like a hint of butterscotch. I feel like the only thing making it taste more butterscotchy is the color of this. Because close your eyes and taste it.
Close your eyes and taste it, and it's not butterscotch anymore.
Well, it is a little bit, but it's not that strong, right?
Yeah, that's disappointing. It's got a little bit of butterscotch, and it's not that it is bad tasting, but it is not what you expect at all.
I don't know. I'm gonna let you decide on this one because I could go either way.
I like the texture with this. This is more of a pudding texture. This is more not quite as thick.
Yeah, it's a little more liquidy.
Gosh, I don't know. I think I like the flavor of this one better though, the tapioca.
Okay, that is unexpected. I thought for sure the butterscotch was going through, but a little bit disappointing on the intensity of the flavor, I guess.
Yeah.
So tapioca is going on.
All right.
This is our last matchup of the first round, and we've got vanilla over here and chocolate vanilla over here. So I think the vanilla might win on this because we did not really like chocolate on the last one, so that's just like adding chocolate to the vanilla flavor.
But chocolate vanilla, that just sounds good, and it looks good too.
Let's see. What's kind of interesting is the vanilla on this side has a brown color, and on this side, for some reason, they made it yellow. I don't know why the vanilla is yellow, because vanilla beans are actually brown. When you see white in a vanilla flavor, it's just cream. It's not actually vanilla.
And when you get the vanilla bean, like ice cream, it does have like the little
Brown specks in it?
brown specks.
Yeah.
That's the actual vanilla. Well, I do mostly taste just that chocolate flavor,
Yeah, me too.
which is
not
basically
my
the same
favorite.
as the last time we tasted it.
What in the heck kind of vanilla flavor is that? Oh, wait for the aftertaste. Then you get a little bit of vanilla. No?
I didn't really notice anything different with the aftertaste.
Okay. Well, when I first put it in my mouth,
Oh, that one's thick.
I don't taste any vanilla flavor. I taste a flavor, but it doesn't taste like what vanilla should taste like. So I'm not a huge fan of either of these options.
I'm gonna.
This one's almost bad.
If I'm offered these two, I'm gonna eat that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go for the chocolate vanilla, even though I did not like the chocolate in the first round.
This one's better.
All right, so now we're gonna move on to the semifinals. And so our first matchup of the semifinals is going to be chocolate fudge versus lemon, or toxic waste or something over here.
Lemon yellow looking stuff.
Yeah, it is just like so neon colored. It's just a bit strange.
I do just like the tartness of that. That's what I like about that one.
I think that's the only thing I like about it. The lemon flavor is just too artificial, a little bit too off for me.
I mean, all of this is artificial. Although, this one actually is pretty good.
Yeah. I think that one is definitely better. You can actually taste a little bit of the cocoa, I think, in that, which is cool too. It doesn't just taste like an artificial chocolate flavor, basically. You can taste the cocoa in it, and yes, it is sweet. It definitely has added sugar and stuff, but good texture, good flavor. I think it's definitely better than the lemon.
If you like hot fudge, like homemade hot fudge, this is your pudding right here. All right, guys, last matchup of the semifinal. We've got tapioca versus chocolate vanilla over here.
Ooh.
So I don't think I even need to spend much time on this one.
What? You think, which one's gonna win?
This one.
That one? I'm leaning more towards tapioca.
Really? Wow, just now that did not taste very good.
We might have our first disagreement.
Okay.
I think this one is all right. I think I like the flavor of the tapioca more.
It's just too runny, too.
I do agree with that. It does have less of a pudding texture.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to say I like this one best.
Okay.
Are we doing rock, paper, scissors?
I'll go with you, but only because they did not get the classic pudding texture on the tapioca. So our final is going to be chocolate fudge versus chocolate vanilla.
All right.
All right, which one should we try first? Chocolate fudge or chocolate vanilla?
I want to try that one first because I like it better.
Oh, you don't even need to do the taste test now.
I don't think so.
Okay, well.
You know, part of the fun of all this is like you see all these different flavors and like all these different colors and everything, and you're thinking like you have no idea what's going to be better, and then we end up with two chocolate ones.
Yeah, but it is interesting because we have two chocolate and then another word. I'm saying this totally weird. But our final is both chocolate with one other word at the end.
That's right.
This almost tastes like a dark chocolate over here and a milk chocolate over there. That's kind of the difference between these. Another difference I noticed is this one has a lot more of a creamy texture. It's just like really smooth, I guess would be a good word.
This one very smooth, huh?
It's also almost a little bit grainy. And I think
grainy?
It almost makes it better because it feels like there's actual like cocoa in there, cocoa powder.
I like the hot fudge better.
All right, so if you go to the store and need some pudding, skip out on the original chocolate and go with chocolate fudge because it is the very best flavor.
That's right.
Thank you guys for watching this taste test. If you enjoyed it, leave it a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'll see you next week.
See ya.